Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome to a new vlog and welcome to America. Woo-hoo-hoo. Right now I'm on the beach in Florida and doing some pretty cool stuff. For the next few months I will actually be traveling around the United States of America, and I'm very excited to bring you along. But now that I'm here in Florida, I actually get to work a little bit. And a lot of people on here ask me how I afford to travel. How do I make money while traveling? Well, if you've seen my videos from the beginning, I am passionate about videography. So I've been trying to find ways to make money through making videos. So I'll work for brands or really anyone that'll hire me to make a video. And that's what I'm doing today. So I get to take you behind the scenes a little bit and show you what it's like for me to work. So a few days ago I got a message from this guy named Matthew because he saw my videos about Colombia. I was just in Colombia for about 3 months. If you haven't seen those videos, maybe you can go check those out. He saw those videos, he really liked them, he was intrigued and had an idea where we can maybe work together because he's starting a business related to tourism in Colombia where he can essentially help people that are interested in coming to Colombia but they don't really know how to make it happen logistically. So anything you need in Colombia, he wants to be your guy to go to be your guide to Colombia. So he is interested in working together on that, but not quite yet, maybe in a few months. But for right now, he has an RV rental company, actually one of the largest RV rental companies here in Florida, and he's based in Orlando. Just so happened to be that I'm in Orlando too, and now I'm making a video for his business, Greenberg Rentals. So that's pretty sweet, and I get to take you behind the scenes and show you what it's like for me to work. I get to call this work, so crazy. I love it. So I'm here in Ormond Beach, Florida for 2 nights with the trailer, making a video and just kind of showcasing how nice it is to stay in this. And it's so nice. I'm excited to show you. But let me take it back a little bit to introduce you to who I'm hanging out with for the next couple days. All right, we're kicking off our trip here in Orlando. Let me introduce you to who I'm with. So we have Matthew, who's the owner of Greenberg Rentals. And we also have his dog, Tina. Tina, hi. Back here, we have my buddy, Alfred. What's up? And my brother, Andrew.
What's up?
It's gonna be a great weekend with these guys. It's actually not the weekend, it's 2 days midweek, but we're on our way to Daytona right now, where we're gonna get the trailer RV, and actually my buddy Will is gonna meet us there too. So we'll see you there. Just got here, the RV is set up within minutes, and now it's time to go on for the first time. So let's see. Oh, it already looks so nice. We got some stairs right here leading up into this. Oh, look at this. What? What do we got over here? Bunks. We got the bunks. The bedroom. Oh. Whoa, right to the ocean, right?
I'm gonna be out there.
Look at this, it's like a whole living room out here. I'm sure this turns into a bed too. Is another bedroom?
What? No. What?
Oh.
What?
Wow, I was not expecting that one. Look at this, got a TV and a fireplace. Oh yeah, and this is Will, by the way. We haven't introduced him yet.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, welcome to the crew. Fancy, fancy.
This is nice.
Boom, boom.
This turns into a bed, and this is also a bed.
Really? How many people does this?
Oh, this is about 10.
10?
10?
Ooh! 10
Think
people?
about your trips you can have with this. 10 people.
There's so much room for activities.
Look at all this floor space.
So
We do aerobics in here. So many activities.
And there's air conditioning. Oh, oh, is it bathroom too? There's a full shower in here. It is super nice. And they're setting it all up for us, so we don't really have to do anything. It's a pretty quick setup, but that's really nice. So we just come here, everything's already set up for us and everything. We're gonna give them a few minutes to finish setting everything up, but wow, right on the beach. This place is beautiful. wings cooking on this grill right now, and the bar is hanging out back here in this blue neon light, and my my camera's fogging up because it was just in the AC. But yeah, we're gonna eat these chicken wings and just hang out here tonight. Chill on the beach, listen to the calming sound of the ocean. But we're gonna wake up nice and early, try to get some sunrise shots. So we'll see you then. Peace. We're gonna get Jeepy, and I think there's an entrance to the beach, so we could take the Jeep on the beach. So let's go see if we can find that place. Jeep, Jeep! Jeep, Jeep! We on the beach, baby!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my god.
Jeep, Jeep!
Steve, explain what you're doing right now.
I am flying the drone while I'm in a moving vehicle. Woo!
In a what?
In a moving vehicle.
A Jeep, 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 Jeep.
That was fun. I think that was the first time I've ever driven on the beach before, so whoa, that was pretty cool.
That was cool.
Anyway, right now we're in Ormond Beach, and my aunt lives in Flagler Beach, and I actually lived with her for about 2 months before I started traveling because I moved out of my house and I didn't want to pay rent anymore. So I lived with her, and I haven't seen her in like a year and a half since I started traveling. So we're going to see her now, and I'm very excited.
Hello, my Stephen. Oh, God, I missed you so much. Oh,
so good to see you.
You too, baby. Oh, hello.
Oh, feels so good to be back here. Right here is where I filmed my video that I was announcing to go to Thailand. Yeah, I'm going to Thailand. This is the background right here.
And that's the room that he packed everything in out there.
I totally forgot, but apparently I left a bunch of stuff here.
Yes, yes, he did.
And one of them is a yoga mat.
Yes.
I totally forgot about this. Now I have a brand new yoga mat to use.
Yoga mat. Guys, it was very nice meeting you all.
So much for the hospitality.
Oh, it was my pleasure.
Give me a hug.
Oh, my baby boy.
Alright, now we're on our way to St. Augustine. We're gonna go to a taco place that Will recommended. What's it called?
Burrito Works.
Alright, we're gonna go work on some burritos. Let's do it. Welcome to Florida! Oh, you can see more through here. Really?
Yeah, look.
I can barely see the street. What the hell? What? You can see more on the camera than you can in real life. Adventures with Steve! In Florida, it'll rain crazy hard like this for maybe 5 minutes, and then it'll be sunshine and rainbows. Watch, look at this.
12 seconds later.
And boom, just like that, it's clear. Florida weather, man. So weird. Woohoo! Just arrived in St. Augustine and quickly threw the drone up. So my favorite part about St. Augustine is this street that we're walking down right now. They have this big walking street. You know what this is called? Nope. We just talked about it before. What's the name of this street?
St. George Street.
St. George Street, thank you. A lot of stuff going on this street. It's just a pleasant street to walk down. Hola. Usually if you come here on the weekend, this street will just be full of people. Today is a Tuesday afternoon, so there's really not that many people, but still a good amount of people walking around. First thing we want to find here is the burrito place called, I forgot already.
Burrito Works.
Burrito Works, yeah, all right. So I've never been to Burrito Works, but Will has.
It's delicious.
He claims it's a great place to go, so.
It's a must go.
Yeah?
Must go.
Local spot?
Yep.
All right. Oh, and apparently this is the world's most famous taffy. That looks good. Oh, and right next door we have home of the world famous UFO. I think that's what we're ordering. What is the UFO?
The UFO is basically everything a burrito has, but with the tostada in the middle. So you have your choice of rice or beans at the bottom, tostada, your choice of meat, your toppings. We fold it all up like this. We fold it all up and put it on the grill with fried cheese. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I'll do that.
There you go.
Oh, check this out. This looks so good. It's heavy, damn. It's loaded. Damn, this is like, you can work out with this thing.
I may try a bite.
Try a bite of this?
Yeah, probably.
Go for it. He is a very picky eater.
I am.
So I am extremely surprised.
I pick which one?
Just take a bite out of that one.
This one? Oh, it's like mushy. Ooh. Alright.
He actually tried it. This kid growing up would be the pickiest eater ever. He would never even think about doing that. It's pretty good, right?
It's spicy.
Spicy?
I like it though.
Yeah, look at that. Mom and Dad are gonna be so proud. All right, my turn.
What? Yeah.
That's so good. Oh. I feel like I should just clap or something. Like, this is so Alright, we're gonna enjoy this. We'll see you later. And this is what it looks like when you walk out of an air-conditioned building. So fogged. Anyway, it's raining. Andrew doesn't think we should be vlogging.
Because the microphone.
Because the microphone.
And your lens
and my
fogged.
camera. And everything's just fogged.
I always should put everything.
And our parking meter is running out in 20 minutes. So we're just gonna walk back to our car, probably drive back to the campsite. Enjoy this scenic little view as we walk down the street. And this lady's dancing over here. Hello! Yeah, breaking it down. That's so funny. Good people around here. I love Florida. What's up, guys? So I never got a chance to finish or end the vlog yesterday because I got an unfortunate phone call from my parents. Right now I'm in the airport in Orlando because I'm flying to New York. I got a phone call yesterday that was not easy to deal with. My grandfather passed away, so I'm going home to New York to attend the funeral. I'll be there for only a day. I was planning on actually starting a road trip tomorrow with the Traveling Clat, another YouTuber, and I was really looking forward to that, but I will still be continuing that. I'm just going to New York for a day, and then I'm going to meet the Traveling Clat, Tal, his name is, in Austin, Texas. So the videos will continue. Sorry to end this on a not so lively note. Usually I try to end it with a positive, happy ending, but unfortunately sometimes things don't always go according to plan. But I'm going home to see my family because that's the best thing I can do right now. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.